This is one of my most successful YouTube videos. It's gotten over 30,000 views, but it's only made me a couple dollars because I wasn't monetized yet. And this video has not even a fraction of the views, but it made me over $300 that didn't even come from AdSense. And I failed at YouTube repeatedly until I understood this business strategy that no one on YouTube is talking about. Look, YouTube is a business. It's sink or swim. I've been posting on YouTube for over 2 years now. So if you're wondering why should you be listening to any 6-foot dark-skinned content creator like me, then I'll just show you some of the analytics. Are you not entertained? Look, there are two types of mentalities on YouTube. You can either be the creator who makes YouTube videos solely out of the love for it, or you can be the creator who has a passion for YouTube and helping other people, but who also want to turn their YouTube channel into a business and print a little something that I like to call money. A year ago, I was posting videos that I thought deserved some views, and newsflash, they didn't get it. And this left me stumped to the point where I was just like banging my head on the wall because I just couldn't figure out why my videos were never getting any views. Well, one day I woke up with an epiphany. I was like, boy, there's something called an audience. And I learned in the hardest way ever that targeting your audience is what's gonna set you free. I'm gonna put this in financial field terms, okay? You cannot post a YouTube video about dropshipping that gets 4K views and then title your next video How I Became Andrew Tate and wonder why it flopped. Do you understand? That's essentially going 1 on 5 and pulling up. No, you are going to get your shit sent. YouTube likes to uphold this identity that you can post whatever you want and be yourself to change your life. Get that weak ass, please remove it. Get it out of here. That is not an optimal way to grow a channel or a business through YouTube. If you're watching this far into the video, I can tell that you're one of the few people who want to turn YouTube into their job. You want to make money, and the only thing stopping you from making that money is momentum or the lack thereof. All 3 of these videos posted back to back either performed well or outperformed my channel. Now, with me being a bit stubborn at the time, I got a bit complacent and I started posting what I thought deserved to get views on YouTube, and it was flop after flop after flop on some like $1 million baby type time. But when I locked back in and decided to put my focus on my audience and what they needed from me, the video performed. Like it didn't even skip a beat. I did all that worrying for nothing. I promise you that YouTube is not rocket science, but you still have to know how to fly the rocket or you're gonna crash it. And I can guarantee you with the motion I'm about to give you later on in this video, you will be banging out at least 10x multipliers on every video that you post going forward that you take seriously. The business side of YouTube is life-changing. What it's done for me in less than 2 months is afford these AirPods, like they're not necessarily cheap, buy some new clothing items, and pay for all of my online subscriptions and stores, etc. Yes, in less than 2 months. And no, it was not just from AdSense. As I explained earlier, I basically went through trial and error for like the last 60 days, finalizing my space on this platform and starting to gain traction and momentum. Let me tell you, the past month has been the driest my sales have ever been, but the last 3 days have produced way more sales for one reason. I went back to the basics. I went back to what made me start posting in the first place, helping you grow a YouTube channel that you can start running a business through. Unless you're a Mr. Beast-esque level creator, you cannot survive solely off of AdSense. I really don't care what your niche is. You can have $60 RPMs and go viral. Well, that actually could probably make him enough, right? But you don't want to bank on that. Why? MF, because I said so. Find what topic of content interests you and make videos that hold and provide value. Make videos that will make a random viewer get up and start believing in themselves. It is law to prosper and sell that valuable knowledge that only you can have. Creating content for yourself is selfish, if I'm being 100% honest. Under those hundreds of thousands of impressions that you might get are people who are dependent on your content to help them thrive and start up a business or a channel. And that's why I've already helped a member hit full monetization in only a couple of months of working with him. That's why I started the Dub Club. So with this free masterclass that I'm about to give you, take notes, turn on your focus hats for just a couple of minutes, and print money with your YouTube business this year. Oh, we're back. We're so back. Look, running a business through YouTube requires a strategy plan. You cannot be trying to run a business through YouTube with no plan on the back end. We're gonna break down this Miro board in 1 second, but I just have to finish going through the bullets so that you know where your head should be at in terms of this YouTube business. Online business is better than YouTube AdSense. That's why I'm urging you to start a business and grow a business through your YouTube channel, because while YouTube AdSense can make you a ton of money and it can be enough to sustain a nice financially free life, you want to make double, triple, quadruple that in a month, and it's very doable. And the third point is to focus on the value rather than the virality, because when you're providing value to someone, if they really mess with you, like how y'all mess with me in the Dove Club, they're gonna want your value. They're gonna want what you're offering them, what you're selling them. If you post what you're supposed to be posting, the money will come eventually. Lock that in. Now, this is a creator who just recently posted this video. He made 600 beans in a year. 12 million views, 812,000 watch hours, 177,000 subscribers, $579,000 from watch page ads alone. Are you understanding that? Now, while this is something achievable, this is something that he achieved within 4 years of consistently posting on YouTube, I want to show you what you can do to start making money with your business right now. And there's multiple ways you can do it. My boy Nate just got monetized in the Dove Club. I've been working with him for about 3 months, helping him use the outlier method to grow his channel, pick the right thumbnails, pick the right titles, hit the right audience, and it's been working. On the 24th, he posted it up. So it should be loaded in today. I'm going to ask him. We're going to get that all set up for him. He just hit his 2,000 subscriber mark on his channel. It's a great month for him right now. I've also been having a really good month. We're getting sales. Midday, I'm on my way to class. Ding, Stripe notification. You know how good that feels? It was a very productive day in the Dove Club. My video was starting to pop off. 17 plus subs. At that time, I think it's at like 40 now. We're at like 2.2K views on it. So thank y'all for popping off on that video. But this is where I was struggling. I was so oblivious to looking at this tab on your YouTube studio. It's in there for a reason. You go to your explore topics and you look at what people are searching for, to find your channel, to find your videos. How to create YouTube channel and earn money. This is like business, YouTube money business. Why was I going away from posting that when I already love posting it and I have the ability to help other people and myself grow from it? I was being stupid. And that's what a lot of y'all are doing. I don't want to be mean, but y'all really, I don't know. Y'all are just posting anything. When you post what your audience needs from you, you're going to get returning viewers. Look at this spike. I've never had this many people come back to my video. Like, y'all really mess with a boy. That's love. That's love. And I'm telling you, this dude ain't money maxing. This is where I learned all this from originally. And that's why I'm bringing it to you guys, because, he's already making a lot of money. So he's not posting as much. That's why I'm taking over, and I'm going to understand more of what he's doing so I can give it to y'all, and that we can, we can grow this together. He said YouTube is an art. Business is second. If you want views, you make passionate videos. If you want money, you make passionate videos. Okay? He's doing that. All his videos translate into crazy amounts of sales like this. 29, that's in a day, bro. 2,900 in a day. Just from posting YouTube videos. And people are clicking his link because they're resonating with him and they know that he's going to provide value. I took what he was giving, I took what a couple other creators were giving, and with some research and time, I'm starting to get those type of days. 34.93 on the day yesterday. You know what I'm saying? That's a crazy feat to go from nothing for a very long time to having a $34 day. Is growth, especially for a product that's being sold for $2.47. Buy it while you can, because it's not going to be there much longer. But lastly, I want you to understand that all of my videos that have outperformed on the channel are not original ideas. I find something that's working on YouTube. I find a video idea that's working within a different niche, and then I combine them. Because what does that do? Oh, I don't know. It makes something new. It's a breath of fresh air to someone who's in the niche watching the videos that you post. People were posting videos about how YouTube changed their life in a year, in a month, however long. I said, bet. This is how YouTube changed my life in 6 weeks. That's a short amount of time. How is that different from anybody else? But you see the engagement, 361 likes, 363 comments. People were very moved by this content. Hold on, bro. The video not over yet. Look, you learned essentially how to grow your business through a YouTube channel. But there's something clearly missing that I didn't tell you at the beginning of this video. Watching this video is completely useless if you don't know how to take what you learned and apply it to your own channel, your own business. So click the video on my right or click the first link in the description if you want to take your business, if you want to take your channel to the next level in 2025, become financially free and move out of the crib and do whatever you want. Let's go.